If you're putting in the sessions but feeling flat by Wednesday, this video is for you. It's not a fitness problem. It's not a motivation problem, it's a fuel and structure problem. And it's fixable. Most athletes fuel on habit, not on load. Same breakfast on a heavy day as a recovery day. Same snacks before a speed session as before a skills session. That mismatch creates inconsistency. Energy dips mid-session. Flat Wednesdays. Frustration that doesn't match the effort you're putting in. Here's the thing, it's not that athletes aren't trying. It's that the fueling isn't matched to the training demand. And that mismatch compounds across the week. The weekly performance engine has 4 pillars. Pillar 1, match fuel to load. High-intensity days need stable carbohydrate intake to support that energy demand. Recovery days need nutrient density, protein, minerals, hydration focus. These aren't complex prescriptions, they're structural habits. Pillar 2, protect recovery. Sleep consistency is where adaptation actually happens. Mineral support and mobility work are programmed into the week, not done randomly when remembered. Pillar 3, structured weekly intake. Stable, repeatable fueling creates stable, repeatable energy. The goal isn't complexity, it's consistency. Pillar 4, track weekly load. Know what you did, how you recovered, and what needs adjusting for next week. That review is the feedback loop that makes the whole system improve. When fuel aligns with load, recovery quality improves. When recovery improves, the next session starts from a higher baseline. That's the compounding effect of structure. Not overnight, not from one good week. Built week by week, session by session, through repeatable habits. No exotic protocol required. Just structure. 2. Fuel your performance with clean basics that are easy to stick to. Download the Weekly Performance Engine Guide, link in bio.